Staying healthy and fit means focusing on wellness beyond just your doctor's visits. That's why we offer our Wellness Wallet. Our Wellness Wallet benefit is an annual allowance for expenses like gym memberships, activity trackers, and equipment for specific sports and activities. Allowance amounts and covered items and services vary by plan. So how does it work? First, check your plan's annual allowance amount and eligible purchases on our website. Purchase your items one of two ways. You can use your own funds and submit for reimbursement online or by mail. Or you can use your Martins Point prepaid MasterCard and skip the reimbursement process. Keep in mind, your card only works at specific locations. Before you shop, always check the detailed list available on our website. Either way, make sure to save your itemized receipt and proof of payment in case we need to verify the purchase. Questions? We'd love to chat. Call us at 1-866-544-7504 or visit us at martinspoint.org/wellnesswallet. We're happy you're here.